Thank you. As she reiterated, highlights from that game coming up tomorrow at 6 and also at 10 o'clock. But what about the weather? I mean, it's going to warm up a little bit on Saturday, but then
tomorrow morning's going to be cold, Trent. So if you're heading to Legion Field for the Conference Bowl, you definitely want to bundle up for sure. But during the day, it's going to be still chilly, but warmer than we've been dealing with.
Right. So it's all relative.
It's all relative, especially since we've been colder than some places in Canada today. Let's go live with a great shot coming from our tower cam as that sun sets over the west side of Birmingham. As you can see from our eye in the sky, high atop Red Mountain here in Birmingham. And across the nation, it's very cold, especially in the northeast, where temperatures are in the single digits and below zero in many spots. Let's go out to our temperatures. As you can see, there's the cold air way off to the north. At white and pink is the coldest. We're in the 30s. However, 50 Dallas, 46 Oklahoma City. This warm chunk of air is going to head in our direction, but it's not going to stay much longer because we have a very cold air mass in place coming up from the Arctic. 30 Birmingham, 30 Gadsden, 29 right now in Coleman, 27 in Hamilton. There's not much wind out there, but there is some to make it feel colder. It feels like 24 with the wind chill here in Birmingham, 24 up at Smith Lake in Arley. All right, so we're dry on Titan 3D radar. However, there is snow, there is rain off to the north. It's all part of a polar, that's the best way to describe it, cold front that will be moving into our area. So for this, I'll show you the coldest air off to the north. But tomorrow morning, we're going to see temperatures from the low 20s to upper 20s, 29 degrees by 6:30. By noon, though, you see that warm air starting to come in here. And during the afternoon, in between the 5 o'clock hour, we will see temperatures max out in the upper 40s. All right, let's talk about Sunday, because Sunday is interesting. It's going to be in the 50s, 55 for the high. Once that polar front comes through, the mercury is going to drop from 55 all the way down to 11 degrees. A big change. The other factor about Sunday is on our Titancast, as we zoom in here, on the morning we'll have cloudy skies as you head into church. But look off to the west. We have a line of showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms that'll roll in by 4:30. Heavy rain, West Alabama. A little bit of a change in our computer models showing less snow, but more of a mix of rain and snow on the backside here at 7. Heavy rain spawning across Birmingham and the metro area through East Alabama. But there are a few places where we could see some really pockets of heavy rain and snow, especially up in Blount and as well as Etowah County. This is going to be a mess Sunday night at 8:15. There's going to be some slick spots. We're going to have a lot of water on the ground, and with these temperatures dropping to 11 degrees from 55, there's going to be a lot of areas that freeze over, especially on overpasses. So we will be watching this all weekend here. You need to bundle up and remember to be safe on Sunday if you're heading out. 47 degrees for tomorrow, a little bit warmer, but again, I told you it's not going to last. As we hit our extended day forecast, yeah, this is some of the coldest weather you probably have seen in years. 47 for Saturday, 55 Sunday. That rain changes over to a wintry mix, and as we hit Monday, a high of only 19. A low of 11, a low of 6 on Tuesday. It will feel like 7 below zero. A high of 25. And then, icing on the cake is the chance for a little bit of freezing rain on Thursday morning.
a little bit of everything.
Everything known to man.
Perhaps record set with this cold.
We'll be watching for the records.
All right, Ted, thank you. Very